And I'm going to begin our unit on poetry. This unit will involve, reading, understanding, analyzing, and interpreting poetry. The first part of the process is called scansion. Scansion is the process of determining the rhyme pattern, naming of the kinds of feet, and the number of feet in lines of poetry. We're going to primarily focus on rhyme scheme today. Scanning a poem has 3 steps. You find the rhyme pattern or rhyme scheme, find the kind of foot that is primarily used in each line, and you count the number of feet in each line. There are basically 3 different kinds of ways that poetry is written. There's rhymed poetry, there is free verse, which can have some rhyme, but there's not a set pattern, and there can be many lines that have no rhyme at all. And then there's blank verse. This is a specific kind of poetry that is not rhymed, and it uses iambic pentameter, not parameter. Shakespeare's plays are written in blank verse. We don't have to worry about that for right now. Concerning rhyme, there are 2 kinds of rhyme. There is perfect, exact, or true rhyme. That's rhymes where the words begin with different consonant sounds, but they have the same vowel sounds and they end in the same way. So some examples of perfect rhymes are rink and wink, gratitude and latitude, pen and ten, rhythm maker, refrigerator. Those are perfect rhymes. The other kind of rhyme is approximate rhyme, or what's called slant rhyme. There are a number of names: half rhyme, off rhyme, near rhyme. These are partial or imperfect rhymes, and they primarily rely on assonance or consonants. Some example slant rhymes are how and row or row, lovely, funny, hat and bad, crate and braid, created and rabid, I got a strong line, you like my rhyme. Right? Notice these words don't rhyme exactly. Line and rhyme don't rhyme exactly, but they have the same vowel sound. In scanning a poem, the first thing we do is look for the rhyme scheme or the rhyme pattern. To do that, you look at the last word of each line and you label it with alphabet letters. So you would start off with weep as in A. C does not rhyme with weep, so that would be a B. Keep would be an A because it rhymes with weep. And thee would be a B because it rhymes with thee. So you get this: weep, keep, see, thee. A, B, A, B. That's the rhyme pattern. And that's what we're looking for. Here's another example from Mother Goose's Hickory Dickory Dock. So we look at the last word of each line. Dock and clock, we start off with A, so that would be an A and an A. One does not rhyme with dock or clock, so that would be a B, and so forth, like this. So we come up with this pattern: A, B, but notice that down does not rhyme exactly with one. This is a slant B and then an A in this limerick. So it'd be A, B, slant B, and then A. I had this question: do you think there would be more or fewer slant rhymes than perfect rhymes for most words? Why? The answer is here for you. There would be more slant rhymes because we can bend the way that we say words. Different people can argue over whether 2 words are slant rhymes or not. Thus, there are many more possibilities for slant rhymes. Here is what your assignment is going to be for today. Find 4 to 8 lines of lyrics from a song, could be like the chorus or from the verse of a song, and map out the rhyme scheme for those 4 to 8 lines. So here's my example. It's Happy by Pharrell Williams. The rhyme pattern for the 8 lines is A, be a slant B, right? Because roof and truth don't exactly rhyme unless we say truth like troof with a PH sound. Happy A. U is C, that's new, and then happy again A, and it ends with do, C, that rhymes with you. So that's your assignment for today in Schoology. Find your 4 to 8 lines of song lyrics and map out the rhyme scheme. To go a little further, you could do kind of what I have here. That is, I've found that the song uses some poetic language, for example, metaphor, simile, and I've wrote about the lyrics overall having a light and uplifting mood. You could go a bit further to talk about the lyrics that you find. Just make sure that whatever song lyrics you use are school appropriate. This will all be in a discussion board in Schoology. That's it.